public transport, shopping, and more, all with the EasyCard in Taiwan. Step 1. Where to buy. The easiest place to buy an EasyCard is at 7-Eleven. They offer plenty of card designs and options for travelers to choose from. Plus, topping up your card is super simple at any 7-Eleven store. You can also get the card at MRT stations or other convenience stores like Family Mart. Step 2. How to top up. Topping up is quick and easy. At 7-Eleven or Family Mart, hand over your card and the cash amount you want to load, usually starting from NT $100. At MRT stations, use the ticket machines to add value by selecting Add Value and inserting your cash. Step 3. How to use. Using the EasyCard is effortless. Tap your card on the reader when entering and exiting MRT stations, buses, or bike-sharing stations. It even works for small purchases at convenience stores, select restaurants, and tourist attractions. Step 4. Benefits. The EasyCard saves you time and money. Enjoy discounts on MRT and bus fares, skip the hassle of buying single-ride tickets, and use it for seamless payments at retail stores. If you don't buy an EasyCard, or if you forget to bring it, no worries. You can still get a one-time use card for your journey. Don't forget, using an EasyCard simplifies your journey and saves you both time and money. Head to 7-Eleven to grab yours, load it up, and start exploring Taiwan hassle-free. Safe travels, and see you in the next video. Subscribe to NBS Travel for more tips. Safe travels!